I wanna show you how to make highlight moving objects effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline. Go to the effects and write Lumetri Cover. Add your Lumetri Cover effect to your video clip. Come back to the effects control and under the Lumetri Cover select the Ellipse mask. Start modifying the mask around the subject that you want to isolate. Now, go to the feather and increase the value to 200. Check off the inverted option. Expand the basic correction. Click on the stopwatch icon beside the exposure. Come back to the math path and move your timeline to the point where you want that the effect will start. Highlight the effect, then click the button to create another keyframe. Now, move your timeline slider ahead 1 second and change the value of exposure to -4. Then, click on the mask to adjust the mask back over your subject. And of course, moving your timeline ahead a few seconds, adjust the mask, keeping your subject in the highlighted area. Do it till the moment that you want that your effect will last. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.